Hey kitties, welcome and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Nika Jess and I'm back with another video. You guys, we're on a little adventure. So
Protection,
yes,
guys.
you need to wear your mask. So guys, right now we're headed to the Torallie Falls in, is it Soufriere or Soufriere?
Well,
Soufriere. So we're heading in right now to the falls. Woo! She's so short. Harry's potty. And we have a Cardias.
I'm sanitizing.
And Shanika is in front of us right here. Push.
Oh, okay, sorry.
Guys, you can see the waterfall, right? Oh. No, you know what make me laugh is when the man said, "Welcome to St Lucia." The man make us look like.
And we reached to our community, and some people
The
they
man-
talk and they're like, "Welcome to St Lucia." Like,
Yeah.
we're not St Lucia. And sorry.
The man make us feel like we don't know where we're going.
Yeah. The guy said,
Look at
"Welcome
it,
to
guys.
St Lucia."
This is the Torallie Waterfalls. Whoa, mama.
Yeah. That's it? Yeah, man. How long do you have it on the
Raining. We're walking around the place, but it's raining. It's raining, so you know Lucian don't like rain,
We don't like
so we have to stay away from the rain. All the other guests are going, but no, Lucian don't like rain, so we have to stay away from the rain. It's raining pretty bad. No, but it's such a nice day that anyone to fall. So right now we're at the Torallie Waterfalls.
behind the waterfall. Right now I'm behind the waterfall. Ready, guys?
Okay, let's go. You guys going in? We're going to take a photo for her. Yeah. You put it on slow motion already? No, you're not getting wet. For on whose phone, not on yours? Oh, okay, I'm sorry. A little trail, and we're walking down right now to see what they. So let me show you guys. So this is a little trail, guys, that we found, and we're walking down. Woo. It's going right down there, it seems. Also, it's basically just like the river trail, like where the water comes down to the river. Guys, St Lucia is beautiful, so make sure you visit St Lucia. Waterfall and now we're at the Soufriere. You see the park? The park. We call it the park, but there's the beach. There's the beach right here, guys. So we're just here on a little chill. We're not gonna be staying there too long, but we're on a little chill. Let me show you guys around. Guys, this is Soufriere. We're in the park Soufriere right now. Guys, the water here is so deep. It's super deep. Let me show you guys. Woo. You guys see, it's super deep. Oh my goodness. Mala